What's up everyone, it's Curry Gaming and welcome back to another video, and today I have two more Spin Master Monster Jam trucks to unbox for you guys. One of them's from Mix 5 and one of them is from Mix 8. So I got my first Mix 8 truck, but I'm going to show you the Mix 5 truck first. It is the Jurassic Attack. Man, that thing is awesome. So, without further ado, let's unbox it. Here is the driver. I honestly don't know who drives Jurassic Attack because, you know, this truck is retired. And I don't know if the Maniac team is going to bring it back or not. It's a pretty cool looking truck. I mean, I do like this new version a lot better. Check out the big horns. That's really cool. And then the white rims. It's got a skinnier tailgate. So this one I would assume is more accurate to the real truck. I like that. Paying attention to detail, all that jazz. Very cool truck indeed. We'll put Jurassic Attack off to the side, and here is the Mix 8 truck. The only other trucks that they had was the Blue Thunder and Radical Rescue, I think, because those are like peg warmers, and then pretty much the only besides the one I'm about to show you, the only other trucks I care about picking up from this case are the Inverse Gravedigger, El Toro Loco Overcast, W aka Whiplash, Cyclops, Sparkle Smash, and the Training Trucks Dragon. The Blue Thunder and the Radical Rescue are basically variants, so I'm kind of debating on them right now, but like I said, the other ones, besides the one I'm about to show you, I care about. So, and the one I got is the Nitro Neon Son of a Digger. Aw, man, I can't wait to unbox. Alright, so here is Son of a Digger. Here is the driver. It's a new color scheme for the figure. It's a purple figure. Ryan Anderson, of course, only driver for Son of a Digger. Before we take a look at the new Son of a Digger, let's take a look at the Mix 8 poster. From what I've seen from Monster Jam OCD's video, it only just it does not give you a sneak peek of Mix 9, unfortunately. But what's new about it is it shows you a different mystery truck, and that is the Whiplash in real life. Pretty cool. I think it's doing the moonwalk or a stoppie. I like that. I'm gonna hang that up later because that looks awesome. So here is the Nitro Neon Son of a Digger. It's got blue tire treads with some charcoal gray rims and a pearlescent purple roll cage. That's pretty cool. They updated the flame wrapping on this truck quite a lot. If the camera will focus in, it's got like flame wrapping all over the grill and everything, and if you look closely, I'm sure if you guys have this truck already, you know it's got the headlight sockets, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so definitely a cool looking truck. Probably one of my favorite Nitro Neons this year. Once I get the Nitro Neons Megalodon, I'll have to think. I mean, besides the Son of a Digger, I think my other favorites were the Pirate's Curse and the Zombie. But once I get the Megalodon, that might be one of my favorites as well. I don't know. But yeah, this is really cool. So yeah, definitely awesome. Alright guys, so that was the quick unboxing of Nitro Neon, Son of a Digger, and Jurassic Attack. Hope you enjoyed. These two trucks will make their debut in Sign Up Series 17, which I will do later on. So yeah. Alright guys, until next time, bye.